Next, we'll learn how to crochet the penguin's wings. First, start with a magic ring. Single crochet 5 stitches inside the ring. Slip stitches into the first stitch. That completes our round. Round 2 is 1 single crochet stitch and 1 single crochet increase for 1 set. Crochet this set 2 times. Slip stitches into the first stitch. Then start the third round of crocheting. The pattern for this round is 2 single crochet stitches and 1 single crochet increase for 1 set. Slip stitches into the first stitch. 3 single crochet stitches and 1 single crochet increase for 1 set. Repeat this set 2 times and then finish by crocheting 1 final single crochet stitch. Slip stitches into the first stitch. Leave a long yarn tail before cutting the yarn. Our penguin wing is done. You need to crochet 2 of these in total.